Okay, so great life. Good morning, brothers and sisters in Ghana, Africa. Welcome to another session of our opportunity presentation for Ghana, Africa. All right, so let me share my slide. Okay, so I hope you can see this one. Okay, so welcome once again, my brothers and sisters, for from Ghana, Africa, because today I'm so excited again to share this kind of amazing opportunity that actually, if you had watched the video earlier, because many African brothers and sisters, from nothing to something and from all walks of life, had been successful when doing this kind of business. So right now, we are so excited to present another session. It's same opportunity, but I just want to upgrade the presentation and keep on repeating the presentation for us, you all, to watch this one because it might help you change your life for the better. Okay, so I'm Frederick Gatang Aquilio from the Philippines, and I'm the founder of Olima International Empire Worldwide. Later on, I'm going to show you what countries we're in. We already pioneer, or we have some existing leaders working on their own account in their respective countries. Alright, so I've been employed before, so let me share you my employment record. I work as a 4 years SM supervisor in one of the leading retail store in the country. And of course, I work as a trainer for 1 year in one of the leading direct selling company, which is the personal collection direct selling. And of course, aside from that, I also work as a Globe administrator for 1 year. Globe is actually one of the biggest telecommunication in the country. And my last job, I work as a 2 years area manager for Manna Ventures Plus. Alright, and currently right now, I'm proud to say that at the age of 35 years old, I am now a full-time online entrepreneur. Okay? So, moving on, this is my family. I'm blessed with two daughters. So, this is my first child in the last one. And of course, that is me before when I just getting started doing the business. I still remember the days wherein my child is with me when going out, traveling from one place to another. So this is my when I'm starting the business, that is a very memorable for me because I'm with my daughter at the age of 8 months old. I'm with her every time or every step of the way I'm doing the business. And after I decided to do the business full time, so I have some kind of transformation, and I'm proud to say that I was included in the Millionaires Club awardee of the company. So can you see my name? That one. And of course, I was also included in the top 500 distributors. So top 493 and top 117. And good news, when I decided to do the business full time, we expanded in so many countries around the world. In 36 countries, we already have some leaders who are working on their own account. So most of these countries are in Africa. So I think I have 16 countries, meaning we have a lot to offer in African countries. We are still yet to pioneer each and every country in Africa, and we are just getting started. Of course, we also have some leaders in Europe, in USA, in Middle East, in Asia, in South Pacific Island. All right. So welcome to Alliance in Motion Global Ghana Africa. Okay. So I'm proud to say that our company has been existing for 14 years. Actually, it's not 14 years because last June 12, we actually celebrate our 15th year anniversary, meaning our system is proven and tested because of these three young dynamic leader. Of course, on the middle is Dr. Ed Cabantog, our visionary president, and his co-owner partner, Sir John Aspirin and Sir Francis Miguel. Okay? And I'm proud to say also that within 14 or 15 years of existence in the industry, we received so many local and international awards. To mention some, we have the largest human smile in the world in the most people wearing costume masks. Actually, we have the Guinness World Record recognition. So we have that too. And moving on, this is, I really love in AIM Global because we have a daily payout commission system, meaning if you work on your account today, you are earning today, you can encash it on a daily basis. So we have this kind of award for in we are the winner for the service and solution category. All right. So aside from that, we have also the best global company of the year in the winner for the Asia's best performing company. Then aside from that, we also have this one, the top direct selling company in the world since 2014 and the top 12 highest tax paying company here in the Philippines. All right. So aside from that, okay, so we also have the company manufacturers. We partnered with the world-class manufacturing companies in the world, meaning our products are in top quality because of these manufacturing companies. Nature's Way is based in US, $1 million company in a year. Actually, Nature's Way also is the pioneer in herbal medicine in USA. DSM is a multi-billion euro company in Europe. Am's Life is a multi-billion yen company in Japan, and the Wither is a multi-billion dollar company also. In good news, all our products are all in natural. We are dealing with natural food supplements. All FDA of each and every country had already approved our products, meaning it was certified by halal. So all our brothers from Muslim community can take this one or can use this one. All our brothers in the Hudyu people or Palestine or Israelite can also take our products because it was certified by Kosher. All right. So these are our products. All are included in the super brand. So we have the food supplement, natural beauty products, and natural burns living products in many, many more. All right. So how to start AIM Global Ghana Africa. Okay. So before that, we are going to discuss about business. So if we are talking about business, we have the so-called principle of capital, meaning if we start with a big startup capital, well, definitely we are going to earn a big income. If we start with a small startup capital, we earn small income and no capital, no income. Do you agree that in every business ventures we are going to engage in, we need to have at least small or big capital. All right. So good news. Under Alliance in Motion Global, the company is giving a chance or an opportunity to all people around the world to earn as high as they can with a small startup capital. The good news in here, no diploma needed. It's either you did not go to school, you are a pastor, a mother, a father, a businessman, what else? Jobless, undergraduate, employee, you can do this one and you can earn as high as you can with a small startup capital. So we have the three ways how to join. So first, you can start with immediate 7 accounts. This is actually the best investment for AIM Global Ghana Africa because in 7 accounts, you only have a startup capital of 4,116 cedis, or this is what we so called the international package. But if you don't have this one, you can start first for 3 accounts worth 1,764 Ghanaian cedis, or this is what we call the entrepreneur package. And of course, if you are a student or if you have a very low income, you can start first with 1 account or worth 588 Ghanaian cedis. This is actually what we call the student package. All right. Good news. Right upon registration, you are going to receive a free benefits. First, you are going to receive a free products. Per package, you are going to have a free products worth 745 Ghanaian cedis. Meaning, if you have 1 account, you will receive a free products worth 745, of course. If you are going to go for 3 accounts, you are going to receive a free products worth 2,235 or 745 times 3 is equivalent to 2,235 cedis. If you are going to start for 7 accounts, well, you are going to receive a free products worth 5,215 cedis. So, meaning once you start the business, once you pay for the startup capital, the company will return your startup capital via free products right away, meaning your startup capital has been returned right away. So it's your choice if you want to sell these products much better because you are going to earn from it. And selling is only an option. If you don't want to sell, it's okay because selling is only one way on how to earn on this business. All right. So aside from free products, you will also have a data tracking center, meaning or the DTC. In here, the company will give you a username and a password, wherein you can access the website of the company and monitor how much is your commission on a daily basis, on a weekly or monthly basis. Because like I said before, if you are earning on a daily basis, you can encash it right away also. All right. So next, we have the free training. In here, most people are afraid to join the business because they don't have any idea on how to do it. But in here, don't you worry because once you join the business, we will guide you. We will teach you the best way we can, step by step, one at a time. You are not going to work alone. We work as a team in here because your success is our success also. So in here, you feel free to join us. If you don't know how to do the business, then join, then learn how to do it later because we will be guiding you every step of the way. All right. So next we have also the lifetime discount of 25 to 50%. So if you are fond of retailing or selling products, you can join because you can earn up to 25 to 50% lifetime discount. All right. So moving on, this one, are you fan of traveling around the world? Because in here, once you join the business, once you work on your account and you are earning an income, well, definitely you are also going to earn a free travel incentive, meaning all expenses paid by the company. So there will come a time that the company will going to call you and ask you if you want to travel to Dubai, to Japan, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Maldives, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, China, and USA. And of course, you will have a chance to visit the Philippines every year for free because every year we are conducting our yearly anniversary in the Philippine Arena. In take note, Philippine Arena is the largest indoor arena in the world. Okay, so as you can see this one, this happened last June 2012 and more than 2,500 brothers and sisters from Africa came here to celebrate with us. All right, so are you excited to become one of those qualifiers also from African countries? I'm so excited also to tour you around here in the Philippines. Okay. So moving on, here are the benefit upon registration. Free products, DTC website, free trainings, 25 to 50% lifetime discount, and the free travel incentive. So is it worth it based on your startup capital compared to the benefit? Well, it's really worth it because we are just getting started. If we have a very stable company, if we have a most quality products and we have a very nice benefit, well, definitely we are going also to we are we also have a very nice or great marketing plan because in here I am about to teach you how to earn on the business. I'm going to show you how to earn as big as you can. So are you excited? If you are watching right now, you can comment you are excited. All right. So before that, I'm proud to say that within 14 or 15 years of existence, we expanded in so many countries around the world. We expanded in 30 countries around the world, meaning we have our own international business centers. We have in USA, in Africa, in Europe, in Asia, in Middle East, in South Pacific Island also. While in fact, we are soon to open in these countries in Africa, meaning if you know someone who are interested in these countries, they can still join because they can still earn on a daily basis. Yes, they can still earn on a daily basis even if we don't have an office or a business center in their country. All right. So we also have some soon to open in Asia, Middle East, in South Pacific Island. And okay, so This one, I'm so excited. Like I said before, I'm so excited to share with you the marketing plan on how to earn as high as you can. So first, we have the so-called direct referral bonus. It states here that every time you invite someone to join or buy an easy package, you are going to earn how much? 60 cedis. Yes, you heard me right. Per direct referral bonus is worth 60 Ghanaian cedis, meaning every time you invite someone to join, you are earning per person. And good news, this is up to infinity. What do we mean by up to infinity? You can invite as many people as you can, provided that they are willing to join. Because once they join, you are going to earn from them. All right? So moving on, of course, let us say you invited four people, meaning you earn 60 times 4 is or equivalent to 240 Ghanaian cedis. All right. So next, number two, marketing plan is the pairing bonus. It states here that we are into the binary program. It states here that we have to create two sales group. So we can call that one as the left group or the right group. So how can we earn in this pairing bonus? Once you invited someone and he or she joined, we will register that person on your left side. And if you invited another one, we register them on your right side. Meaning, once the company detected that someone joins on your left and someone joins on your right, you are going to earn how much per pairing bonus is worth 90 Ghanaian cedis. So per pairing bonus, every person joining on your left and on your right, you are earning 90 Ghanaian cedis. All right. So meaning with these two people alone, you already earn a total of 210 Ghanaian cedis. How do you arrive in the 210? Two direct referral bonus or 60 times 2 plus 90 is equivalent to 210. All right. So this is the most exciting part because according to the pairing bonus or binary system, it states here that every person joining on your left and joining on your right, you are earning from them. Even if you don't know that person or even if you don't know those person, even if you are not the one who invited and shared the business to them, as long as they are joining on your left and on your right, you are earning from them. So assuming your friend A, you only need at least two leaders. You invited at least two leaders, one on the left and one on the right. So your friend A on your left, let us say we guide that person, we guide A, we teach A on how to do the business. Well, definitely once he understands how to do the business, he will do the business as well. So might as well, assuming he invited two people also. Once he do that, once he did what you do, he will earn the same. So he earned all of course 210 Ghanaian cedis with these two people. Now, on your right side, we invited B a while ago, or you invited B a while ago. We teach B, we guide B on how to do the business. And once he do the business, well, definitely he will also invite many leaders, assuming he invited two people. So B invited A and B invited F, meaning when he invited two people, he will earn the same what you earn also. So if you see in this kind of structure, the company is giving an equal opportunity to all leaders or business partners or distributors around the world, regardless if you join late or if you join early. What matter is every effort you did counts. The company will pay every effort you did. So even if you join late, if you are more hardworking than the one who invited you, well, you can earn higher than that person. All right. So just imagine my brothers and sisters in Ghana. According to the binary program or pairing bonus, even if you don't know this four-person, the joins on your left and the join on your right, you are still going to earn from them. So your system detected that D join on your left and E join on your right, it automatically paired or matched. So you earn one pairing bonus from them, 90 Ghanaian cedis. A invited C and B invited F, meaning your company or your DTC or account detected again that someone joins on your left and someone joins on your right, you are going to earn another 90 Ghanaian cedis. With these four people alone, you earn an extra or additional income worth 180 Ghanaian cedis. All right, so moving on, what if, okay? C, D, E, and F, we teach them, we guide them on how to do the business. Well, once they understand that they also going to earn an extra income once they do the business, they are going to do it as well. So there will come a time that your left group will look like this. Your right group will also look like this. So just imagine every person joining on your left and joining on your right. Once that happens, you are earning 90 Ghanaian cedis per pair. Automatically, it will reflect on your DTC account. Every person joining on your left and joining on your right, every 90 Ghanaian cedis will be going to your DTC account. You can check that immediately upon registration. So just imagine that your left group, these people will join you on your left. These people will join you on your right. The system automatically detected and the company will not have a choice but to pay you how much? 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90 Ghanaian cedis, because with a small startup capital of 7 accounts worth how much? 4,116, you can earn as high as 12,600. How do we arrive in 12,600? Maximum pairing bonus per day per account is 20 pairs. So 20 times 90 is 1,800. Since you have 7 accounts, 18 times 7 is equivalent to 12,600. In 30 days, you can earn as high as 378,000 cedis. Good news is that plus you are going to receive a free products worth 5,215 plus an instant income. You can encash it right away, 810 cedis. So meaning with a small startup capital of 4,116, your immediate return of investment is worth 6,025 cedis. Plus, this is your daily and monthly potential income once you start doing the business. All right? That is for the 7 accounts. For 3 accounts, you are going to have at least a small startup capital worth 1,764 cedis. But you are going to earn as high as 5,400 cedis. Again, one account maximum daily potential income is 1,800 times 3, that is 5,400 in a day. In 30 days, you can earn, or your 3 accounts can earn as high as 162,000 cedis. Plus, like I said before, you are going to receive a free products worth 2,235. Okay? Another thing is you are going to have an instant income worth 210. You can encash it right away. So meaning, with a small startup capital of 1,764, you are going to have an instant gross investment return worth 2,445 cedis plus this daily and monthly potential income for 3 accounts. If you have only one account, well, at least you can start for at least 588 cedis, but you can earn as high as 1,800 on a daily basis. Maybe some of you or some people, especially from the employment and industry, might be saying it is very unbelievable to earn at least 1,800 per day. Yes, it is very impossible if we are talking about employment, because under employment, even if you are the most hardworking person or a hardworking employee in a company, once your salary comes, it will still be the same with the salary of those or that person who is very lazy if you have the same position. Okay? If you have the same position, even if you are the most hardworking employee or most hardworking manager, once your salary comes, it will be the same with the salary of that another manager who did nothing when going to report or when reporting for work every day. But if we are talking about business, you can earn this one because Alliance in Motion Global is under business. If you work harder than anyone else, your income goes higher and higher. That's the beauty of the business. So that is very possible. If you had understand or see how to earn under the pairing bonus, all right? So in 7 days, you can earn as high as 12,600. In 30 days, you can earn as high as 54,000 cedis. All right? So just imagine my brothers and sisters in Ghana. You are in Ghana, Africa. But you might know someone, or assuming you know someone in, let us say, in USA, only one person. We will teach that person in US. We will guide that person on how to do the business. Once he understand how to do the business, well, definitely he is going to expand in the whole USA. And there will come a time that he is going to expand also in other countries like Italy and Papua New Guinea. On your right side, you might know someone from, let us say, in Hong Kong, at least one person. This is the power of new technology today because we can actually have many friends, as many as we can, using our social media account. Like I said before, I expanded in 36 countries using my Facebook account. I I make a lot of friends or I make friends with those people who has a Facebook account from different countries. I offer the business to them. I share the business to them on how to work, how to do it, how to encash, how to earn on a daily basis. They believe me. They do the registration and they work on it. And good news, they are earning right now. All right. So that person in Hong Kong, we teach that person, we guide that person every step of the way. So once he know how to do the business, well, he is going to expand in so many countries around the world also, assuming in Singapore, in Tanzania. When that happens, every person joining under your left and under your right, this is the moment of truth, or this is the moment of your financial breakthrough, because in here, once this happen, even if you are sleeping, you are earning. Even if you are working or doing this part-time, you are earning. Even if you are on a vacation, you are still earning. Guys, take note. We have a difference between a business and an employee. If you are an employee right now, if you don't report for work, you don't receive, you will not be paid, you will not be get paid, you will not receive a salary. But in here, once you work on your account, even if you are sick, you are still earning from those people joining on your left and joining on your right, because you already build your team. You have already teach those person left and right to do the business as well. What you did, you just duplicate yourself to them so that they will copy what you did. Once they did that, they are going to earn at the same time you are earning on top. All right. And the good news between the um, in global business in employment is that under the employment, if you are a manager right now, once you will be get fired by your boss, you cannot say that you are going to transfer your managerial position to your wife or to your husband or to your children. They cannot. They cannot. You cannot transfer to them because once you vacate that position, many people going to apply for that position. And of course, if I will be the boss, I'm going to select the best applicant suited for that managerial position. But if we are talking about in global, your account, if in cases of death, right? If in cases of death, good news, your account will not be deactivated. Take note, take note on this. Your account will not going to be deactivated because once we die, our account who is earning will be transferred from your children, from your to your family, to your husband, and to your parents, in whatsoever. It will not be deactivated. They will inherit your account so that they are going to enjoy every pairing bonus you are earning from your account. That's the beauty of in global business Ghana. All right. So we call that one as the law of leverage, the ability to multiply yourself, your time, and your effort through other people. All right. So in here, if you don't want to invite people, you can still earn from other ways or marketing plan because number three is the stair step program. Number four is the Unilevel program, and number five is the Unipay plan program. How can you earn in here? Based on the product reorders. Okay? Based on your product reorders, because every time you are buying a product in the office, you are going to earn in that. Your personal product reorder and group product reorders of your group, you are earning in that three marketing ways to earn. And of course, your account will be promoted as well into a higher rank, meaning your account can be promoted as silver executive, gold executive, and global ambassador. So how can you earn in here? Once you will be promoted as silver executive, you will earn additional 10% commission from your product reorders and group product reorders of your group under your team. If you will be promoted as gold executive, it will become 20%. If you will become global ambassador, 30%. It goes higher in higher in higher based on your rank position. All right. So as for me, especially in this kind of pandemic, because last year we are all actually all countries around the world are advised to please stay at home to not to be contacted with the virus. So for me, since pandemic, actually every once I joined the business, even during the pandemic, this is the best of the best opportunity to all people around the world because we can work at home. We can do this one even if we are at the comfort of our home, even if we are on a lunch break or coffee break by being an employee. Okay, so we can do this one. Even if you are a student, you can earn as high as you can with a small startup capital. All right. So for illustration and inspiration purposes, I have some many proof of remittances. Like I said before, I expanded in 37 countries around the world. So many people, especially for those countries who do not, which wherein we do not have a business centers, they are sending their remittances to me here in the Philippines. So these are some of them. Can you see this one? Can you see my name? 1,000 US dollars, 2,500. And this one, the latest, because I'm using the face mask, all right? So many people are joining three accounts onwards. Three accounts, seven accounts, and many more. Now this one. So this one, of course, once you send your remittances, I'm going to buy in the office. So per bag is worth 588, all right? This one. So this one, okay? Okay. This one. This one. So these are the proof of shipment. Once I bought your products in the office, I'm going to send via DHL or postal office. All right. But usually I use postal office for a cheaper shipping cost. So this one, and these are the proof that some of our leaders, international, from foreign national, from each and every country in these 37 countries already received their products. And they are proud because they even post it on Facebook that they already received their packages or products. Right? So these are some of them for illustration purposes. This one, many. Nevada, Australia, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, Macau, Zambia, New Zealand, Ghana, Samoa, Nevada, Fiji, Cameroon, Nevada, Australia, Ghana, Utah, USA, Burkina Faso, California, Utah, so many, many more. And because of this one, all right, because of this one, I achieved my time freedom because I really love traveling around the Philippines. I really love to travel in visit the beautiful tourist destination of the country. So for inspiration purposes, here are some of my travel adventures. All right. So can you see that one? You see, the Philippines is a very beautiful country, right? Do you agree? This one, so this one, those one, this one, okay? So many. So these are just some of my travel adventures. This one, and this I really love traveling the world. And I notice, of course, because I really enjoy this one. Why? Because even I'm in the middle of the sea, even I'm on top of the mountain, I can still do the business with my phone. As long as I have a data connection, I can still do the business and I can still earn on a daily basis. That's the reason why I have actually achieved my time in financial freedom in here, in this business. So in here, before, actually, when when someone introduced the business to me and I don't have any much capital because my salary is very minimal, limited to my expenses, to my family, and to everything, to my daily expenses. The 588 is not enough actually. Actually, it's enough if I'm not going to spend my salary to my family, to my daily expenses. But if I'm going to expend, there is nothing left. So when I see the business, how it works, I make it a point that I have to do whatever it takes to start for at least one account because my in my honest opinion, I've been thinking it before that if I'm not going to find a solution to have money tomorrow, next week, next month, money will be my problem again. If you are watching right now and you will be watching this video, if your problem right now is money, if you are not going to do something about it, if when we met tomorrow, when we met next week or next month, money will be the same, your problem again. So in here, once you join on our team or under our team, don't worry because like I said before, you are not going to work alone. We work as a team. We will teach you, we will guide you every step of the way one at a time because our goal is to help as many people as we can, from all walks of life, from nothing to something because in here, under AIM Global, everybody can be successful in life. We can achieve our dream in a short span of time, in a short period of time, because of this very unique marketing plan of the company. So if you are currently watching right now, kindly message those person who actually tag you on this video, who actually introduce you the business because once you decided to join, we will work it out immediately so that you are going to earn also on a daily basis. And we guarantee you that once you do your part, because we are going to do whatever it takes to help you also. We work as a team. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video and congratulations in advance. See you all soon. All incoming powerful leaders of Olima International Empire. So God bless and stay safe, everyone.